Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see this one. This is one question given over here. So that is, this says that A plus B is true, B plus C is true, C plus A, that is 6 is to 7 is to 8, and A plus B plus C is equal to 14. Then we have to find the value of C. So let us write this one as it is over here. So now what we can do from here, we can assume this one A plus B will be, let's take the variable along with this, that is 6x. This is going to be 7x and this will be 8x. So now when we add this, and then this on the left hand side, and this will keep it on the right hand side when we add together. So what do we get here? A plus A, that is 2A, B plus B, that is 2B, and C plus C, that is 2C. And when we add this, that will be 21x. So what from this one, these are the three terms. So what we can see common is 2. So let us take this 2 common outside, and what remains in the bracket is A plus B plus C, that is 21x. So now from this one, this is multiplication actually. So A plus B plus C, this is here. So that will be 21x, and this 2 will go on the other side. So this is going to get divided. So what will you get here? A plus B plus C. This, when you divide this, you get 10.5x. So now what we have, A plus B, here we have A plus B is 6x. So let us put this 6x below this one, and C will be as it is, and this is 10.5x. So we'll get the value of C in terms of x. So this will be 10.5x, and when this goes to the other side, this is plus, it will become minus x, 6x. So C is going to be, when you put here 10.5 minus 6 means 6.0. So that is going to be 4.5x. So now we got in terms of x, but we want the value, they have asked for the value of C. So now let us do here, again here, we'll start with this one. We can also put here equation number 1. So we'll take here, and now you know A plus B plus C, this is given as 14 over here. Can you see in the question it is given A plus B plus C is 14. So let us put for this one as 14 here, and this will be as it is, that is 10.5x. So now 14 here, and this is multiplication, so this will go here, means it is going to get divided. And when we divide this 14 divided by, so here let us keep this x as it is here. We'll not solve this first. Let us keep in the fraction over here. So now what is going to happen? We want a value, you got x as 14 divided by 10.5. We can also solve this, but let us keep as it is. So now we are going to put it in this one because we want the value of C. So C is 4.5. So in place of this x, we'll put this value. So here 4.5 into 14 by 10.5. So now what we can see here, this is 4.5 and this is 10.5. So now we can see 15 threes are 45. So that is because that is in point, that we are going to put a point over here. 3 means that will be 0.3. And again here 15 sevens is 105. So we are going to put here 0.7. So now we can do what we will do here, 14 into 0.3. So that is going to be 4.2. Because 14th is a 42, so we are going to put here after, this is after 1, that is decimal, that will be 4.2, and this 0.7 as it is. Now what we can see, after one number there is a decimal, here also after one number there is a decimal, so we can cancel out the decimal. So we can just write the number, that will be 42, because after both there is a decimal after the equal number, means wherever there is a equal number. This also is after 1, this also is after 1, and there is a decimal, we can cancel out the decimal. So we'll just write a number, that will be 42, and this is going to be 7, so this is going to be 6. So the value of C is 6. So by this one we have completed this question over here. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.